Alright team, here we are looking at the number 14 problem from your packet, but full disclosure, I changed the numbers here so that you're going to do the same thing but with your own numbers when you do this problem. Okay, write an equation that represents the situation. Well, hey, it turns out, so Saturn, some planet up in space, is proportional to the weight of an object on Earth. Okay, I need this word proportional tips me off that I need an equation that looks like this: y equals mx. That's what that word proportional means. I need an equation looks like y equals mx. So all I need is to find the m. That's it. Then I'm done. That's it. So the m is a ratio, and it's to find it. All you need is some y value, and you need to write it as a fraction over its corresponding x value. So in this case, I just need. Oh, and look, hey team, guess what? There's only two numbers here, so you already got a 50-50 shot if you just guessed it's 50-50. You're that close. But let's not guess. Let's know for sure what it is. So I need to figure out which of these numbers is my y value and which of these numbers is the x value. And to figure that out, I'm just going to read super carefully. It tells me right here the weight y of an object on Saturn. So y is the object on Saturn, the weight on Saturn. So this must be my y. I'm even going to come over here. I'm going to put a y right there. I'm going to put a y. And then it tells me here the weight x of the object on Earth, tipping me off that x, that this number right here, because it says 70 pounds on Earth, Earth is my x, I'm going to put a x right there. Y over x is just 268.64. Holy smokes, this is going to be ugly, but I love it. There's my slope. Now, holy smokes, I don't want to mess with that. There's a decimal within a fraction. I'm just going to go straight to the decimal representation of the slope. And to do that, I'm going to reach for my calculator, and I'm going to treat this like a division problem. I'm going to say 268.64 divided by 70. And I get some long, atrocious decimal. We're going to go ahead and round this off to 3.84. 3.84. We're going to round to the hundredth. So m is 3.84. And that's the hard stuff, folks. Now all I need to do is write this equation right here. So I'm going to say y is equal to 3.84x. And that's part A. We did it. We wrote an equation that represents the situation. I might even do a little one of those because I'm proud of the work that I've done there, and I want to mark my answer clearly. Now I'm going to use this equation to answer some question down here. Determine how much a rock that weighs 9.8 pounds on Saturn, how much would that rock weigh on Earth? Well, I'm just going to ask myself, is this value, should this be an x or should this value be a y? And to figure that out, I'm going to read my original equation or my original prompt here and make sure that I have it right. 9.8 pounds on Saturn. Y object on Saturn. So y, this would be a y value then. This would be a y. So I'm going to say, instead of writing y equals 3.84x, I'm going to substitute this value in for y, and I'm going to say 9.8 is equal to 3.84x. Now I just need to get x by itself, and to do that, I need to do the opposite of multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide both sides by 3.84. Forgive the sloppy handwriting here. It's going to cancel out here, leaving me with 9.8 divided by 3.84. And some atrocious decimal again, 2.552. We're going to round this off to 2.55. So x would be equal to 2.55 pounds then. Kind of cool. If an object weighed 9.8 pounds on Saturn, I would know that it's 2.55 pounds on Earth. Alright team, hey, this will help you with number 14. Have fun and happy studies.